Enemy summons a thug with 4 attack. Let's deploy a fighter with 3 attack. She'll hold the line. So far, so good. Our fighter deals... And now, let's deploy a ranged unit. You have to defeat the enemy commander to win. Off to a good start. The victory is yours. Now we can deploy mercenaries to 2 lines. Good thing our commander's got plenty of health left. Let's Now we've got a nurse. Let's deploy her to... Well done, Captain. You've defeated your enemy. The city is teeming with bandits. Let's help the people be rid of them. We have to defeat the enemy commander. Try to battle on your own. You've got this. Masterful execution. You're a By the way, each win earns you a reward crate. Let's take a look and... This mercenary can be leveled up. Tap here to unlock a new ability. Outstanding. Now this mercenary... Each commander has unique abilities. One of Ethan's abilities deals damage. Victory! Congratulations, you're getting much better at this. Keep it up. Winning earns you points. Once you earn enough, the goal is to reach the first league. Open. This is the recruitment. Let's hire the super soldiers. You're in luck. This is a rare mercenary. They're much stronger than the common ones. Be sure to hire mercenaries regularly. This will help you win more often and advance. Captain, I've just sent you a message. Checked it out yet? Let's enter your name and